Y'all, my vitamin D is low, so I've been trying to get outside and get some natural vitamin D instead of taking the synthetic kind, you know. No, all jokes aside, I've been trying to enjoy some of this sun that we getting, because we all know that, you know, in the fall and winter months there's less sun exposure, and you know, your vitamin D can drop. It can cause mental health problems, so I'm trying to be mindful of that. So I'm making it my business to get outside almost every day, but definitely hike at least once a week, you know. Oh shit.
Come on, Grandma. Get out of there. This one got all the fucking...
I got caught slipping, y'all. And I just caught her slipping, and she laughed at me, y'all. See how fast karma works? God don't like ignorant. God don't like ignorant. We are back to weekly hiking, y'all. And if you want to join us, you can DM me so that you can be added to our mailing list.
Oh, no.
See?
Come on.
It's a hike. What the hell?
Not being scary.
No, I know she ain't scared of the woods.
You feel like together.
I'm good now. I'm good.